cop. You're not a cop. Watch your mouth, bro.
Can I take my helmet off? I'm having a really hard.
I don't mind you riding around and stuff. Just be careful doing it, alright?
I'm sorry. I really didn't notice that I was going like 5 or 10 over. I noticed it like last second. I'm sorry, man. Do you like my ID?
Yeah. Just be careful with these sport bikes, alright?
I know.
I've seen plenty of people fly 30 foot in the air and kill themselves.
Oh crap. What's up?
You ride that thing on the road.
I got you.
Alright.
I got you.
Ain't the first time I've seen you. Alright, who's your daddy?
Ty.
Oh yeah, I know who he is.
Alright. I got you.
You ride on the shoulder, I'm good with that, but you ride down the road, that's gonna be a problem, okay?
Alright.
Alright, buddy.
I'll let him test me.
Y'all still live over on John's Road?
No, we live right here in front of Optimus.
Alright. Be careful.
I will.
Oh, hey, oh, no, there's a cop behind you. Huh? There's a cop behind you. Well, should we see? There's a cop. Where? Behind you. Oh my God. Cut it off.
Somebody up front had mentioned, I know you guys are doing wheelies.
Yeah.
Oh no, we haven't done any wheelies. We've just been like sitting here charging.
It looked like you were doing a wheelie.
I was doing one. I did one.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
but
I was just testing it out.
just obviously you understand that everybody in here is probably
Yeah.
a little.
We'll leave if anyone
Yeah.
complains or
I would just say, look, you guys aren't out breaking into cars, right? You guys aren't
Yeah,
doing
no.
necessarily
Yeah.
bad, and we appreciate that.
Yeah.
And I get you guys are having fun. That's why we're out usually, is because a lot of people have routine complaints of
Dirt bikes.
dirt bikes.
bikes,
They
yeah.
said it was dirt bikes. Which,
Yeah.
these are like
Really?
these are the fancy bikes, right?
Yeah, they all have pedals on them.
Just a little bit.
That's awesome, dude.
Just a little-
Got it. You got a YouTube channel?
No.
No. You just like to record, guys.
Yeah.
That's cool. Yeah, I'd say if you guys are gonna do it, just try to be out of.
Yeah, we go
if you
like
guys own property, or if you
Yeah.
go,
Yeah.
go west, away from all the community.
Yeah, we normally go like by like the end of Crosstown. Like there's a long like private road out there.
Yeah, if you guys are out of sight, out of
Yeah.
mind, it's just because if not,
Yeah.
they're gonna call.
Yeah.
You know, people call 911.
Most
and
people
just-
fishing all the time.
Yeah.
yeah, even fishing, where it's
Yeah.
like, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, we understand that.
But well, appreciate it. Are you
Yeah.
are you guys almost charged up?
Yeah, we're gonna go somewhere else.
I don't want you to go on E. I don't.
Nah.
No, we're
Okay.
good.
Yeah.
All right. Well, I appreciate it,
All
guys.
right.
All right, thank you.
All right.
Thank you.
Me and my squeaky brakes.
But you guys let me know. You know what? We're not gonna sit here and stay in traffic. We're just gonna go ahead and scooch on in. What's up, dude? That's funny.
That's a $165 ticket.
Yeah?
Yeah, 4 points.
Is
No lane strip in South Carolina.
that the your lights?
You want to see my lights?
No, I'm fine.
Oh, God.
I gotta go, brother. Look at this guy, bro. Wow. So if you guys just don't know what just happened, obviously I'm lane splitting from whatever it is. Hey, don't do that again, bro. You almost hit me. Don't do that again. All right? You want to get... You're not a cop. You're not a cop. Watch your mouth, bro. Don't give a what you think. You're not a cop, bro. How's it going?
Hey, how we doing today?
I'm alright.
Is that you that just blew by me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah?
If I'm going to go too fast for you.
Yeah. Do you know how fast you were going?
I'm not looking. I'm not.
Do you know what the speed limit is?
45.
Okay. Do you think you were doing 45?
I think I passed you. I'm going a little over. We don't do crazy.
You were doing 68.
You had me on the radar.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Do you have your license with you?
What's up, dude? That's all good.
I mean, I was doing 80 trying to catch up with you, and I didn't get you till you were right here.
Yeah.
So, where are you coming from? All right, you've been up here before?
All the time.
Yeah. You usually drive like this?
I try to keep it, you know, I try not to go too crazy.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't understand every time I have a good time.
23 over is a little fast on this road.
I get it.
Yeah, all right. Sit tight for a second. Be right back with you. Coming around that corner, you were...
Yeah.
I appreciate you being honest with me and at least stopping here.
I'm not going to run too well.
Yeah. But so you're not going to get an aggravated speed or anything, but I am going to write the speeding ticket, okay? So at the speed you're at, once you're more than 20 over, it's $5 for every mile an hour over you are, plus 75 as the baseline. So it's $190 plus a processing fee of $30 for a total of $220. Okay? I saw you coming around that corner, like all the way over. I was like, you are flying. You're gonna get this. All right. You free to go? Have a good rest of your day.